Hello, and welcome back to the Abundance Blueprint. Today we will be exploring Passio's teachings on the law of attraction, along with 5 key steps that you can take to improve your life using this law. Overview of Passio's teachings on the law of attraction. According to Passio, the law of attraction is a natural law that operates on a vibrational level. This means that the thoughts, emotions, and actions that we put out into the universe have a corresponding vibrational frequency, which attracts similar frequencies back to us. In order to manifest positive outcomes in our lives, we need to align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with natural law. Passio suggests that many people struggle with the law of attraction because they are not aware of the deeper principles that govern it. He emphasizes the importance of personal responsibility, consciousness, and intention in aligning with natural law and manifesting positive outcomes. 5 key steps to improve your life using the law of attraction. 1. Take responsibility for your thoughts, emotions, and actions. According to Passio, taking responsibility for our lives is crucial to manifesting positive outcomes. This means acknowledging our negative thought patterns and taking steps to change them. We should also strive to cultivate positive emotions and take actions that align with our goals. 2. Align your consciousness with natural law. Passio suggests that expanding our consciousness through practices like meditation, introspection, and self-reflection can help us align more fully with natural law. When we are in a state of alignment, we are better able to manifest positive outcomes in our lives. 3. Cultivate a clear and focused intention. Having a clear and focused intention is key to manifesting what we desire. Passio suggests that we should be specific about what we want, and focus on it with single-minded determination. When we have a clear intention, the universe responds by sending us the resources and opportunities we need to achieve our goals. 4. Release negative emotions and beliefs. Negative emotions and limiting beliefs can block us from manifesting what we want. Passio suggests that we should identify and release negative emotions and beliefs that are holding us back. This can involve techniques like journaling, therapy, or energy work. 5. Practice gratitude and visualization. Finally, Passio suggests that we should practice gratitude and visualization to align with the law of attraction. Gratitude helps us to focus on what we already have, rather than what we lack, while visualization helps us to see ourselves already in possession of what we desire. These practices can help us to maintain a positive vibrational frequency and attract more of what we want into our lives. To summarize, Passio's The Real Law of Attraction presentation suggests that the law of attraction is a natural law that operates on a vibrational level, meaning that our thoughts, emotions, and actions send out energetic vibrations that attract similar vibrations back to us. In order to manifest positive outcomes, we need to align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with natural law. To improve our lives using the law of attraction, we can follow these 5 key steps. Take responsibility for our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Align our consciousness with natural law. Cultivate a clear and focused intention. Release negative emotions and beliefs, and practice gratitude and visualization. By doing so, we can align with natural law and manifest positive outcomes in our lives. Remember, the law of attraction is a complex and multifaceted concept that requires practice and dedication to fully understand and implement. However, by following these key steps, we can improve our lives and create a more positive future for ourselves. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.